Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how can you easily protect and lock folders in your Windows 11 PC. So if you want to have a folder locked or don't want others to be able to access it easily, today in this video I'll show you how. So first let's go ahead and create a new folder. So go ahead and create, I'm gonna name it test, just like that. So I can open this folder easily, as you can see guys, double click and here it is. Now if I want to prevent this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and right click on the folder and then go to properties. In properties I go to security, so it's gonna be right here, and then in security I'm gonna choose an administrators, so it's gonna be this one right here, and then I'm gonna click on modify or edit. Gonna be right here. So this is how it's gonna look like. Now I'm gonna choose administrators again. Now this time I'm gonna choose deny. It's gonna say deny for you here. So just in full control, check this one and everyone is going to be checked automatically. After that, just tap on apply, yes, and then okay, and then okay, and I should be good to go. Now this folder cannot be opened no matter how many times I double click it. As you can see guys, I'm gonna try to double click many times. It won't open at all. So what I need to do is, now for me to be able to access it or to reverse this, basically I'm gonna right click again. Now I'm gonna go to properties again, security, and then from here I'm gonna choose administrators again, edit or modify, it's gonna be right here, and then choose administrators again. Now this time in deny I'm gonna go ahead and unselect all of them or uncheck all of them, and then tap on apply, okay, once again. Now if I try to open it, it's going to open easily. And that's how can you kind of lock your folders in your Windows 11 PC. And that's it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in future videos.